Will photography still be in demand in the future? Today I'm answering that question. This is Quick Camera Queries, the series where I answer your tech and camera questions. If you want to submit a query, put it down in the comments below and we will shout you out if we choose your question. But to get back to today's question, will photography still be in demand in the future? Well, I'm not an economics expert. However, the way I see it, photography will always be in demand. Even though smartphone cameras keep getting better and better, there will always be a place for professional photographers in the photography market. For one thing, it will be a very, very long time until cell phone cameras can actually reach a professional level. But for another thing, photographers don't just point their camera at something, click a button, and they're done. They have to think about composition, they have to think about lighting, they have to think about settings. Later, they have to think about how to edit the photo, and if they're at an event, they have to be mindful of where they are and what distractions they might be causing. Sure, maybe cell phone cameras will eventually reach a level where a professional could use it to take these photos, but there will always be a space for these professionals to take photos with any type of tool professionally, because there's more that goes into it than just point and shoot. Hopefully this helped answer your question. If you would like to submit a query, again, put it in the comments below and we will shout you out if we choose your question. And if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing and click right here to see the previous ones.